So, you've been rejected by Lunar Bank. Ouch. It can be a bit of a blow, right? But here's the burning question: is there a fee for this digital heartbreak? Let's dive into the world of Lunar Bank. As a digital bank, they've made it pretty convenient to apply for their services online. No more trips to the bank, no more long queues. But what happens when your application doesn't make the cut? Now, the million-dollar question: is there a fee associated with Lunar Bank rejection? Well, the short answer is usually not. Most digital banks, including Lunar Bank, don't charge a fee for unsuccessful applications. This is because they want to encourage people to try their services without the fear of financial penalties. It's a way to attract new customers and build trust. Exceptions to the rule. However, there are a few exceptions to this rule. In some cases, if you've provided incorrect or misleading information during your application, the bank might charge a fee to cover the administrative costs. This is a rare occurrence, but it's worth knowing. Why do banks charge fees? You might be wondering why banks charge fees at all. Well, it's a way for them to make money. They offer various services, from savings accounts and loans to credit cards and investments. To keep these services running smoothly, they need to cover their operating costs. Other fees associated with Lunar Bank. While there's usually no fee for rejection, it's important to be aware of other potential fees associated with Lunar Bank. These might include monthly maintenance fees. Some accounts might have a monthly fee if you don't maintain a minimum balance. Transaction fees. There might be fees for certain types of transactions, like international transfers or ATM withdrawals. Overdraft fees. If you overdraw your account, you might be charged a fee. Preventing rejection. To increase your chances of approval and avoid any potential fees, make sure to provide accurate and complete information during your application. Double-check your documents and ensure they're up to date. So, to recap, is there a fee for Lunar Bank rejection? Usually not. But it's always a good idea to read the terms and conditions carefully before applying to understand any specific fees that might apply to your situation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.